Hello, today's video is going to be about EMI Calculator, which I have created. So, in this, what is happening is, first of all, I have created the fields principal amount, rate of interest, and loan tenure. So, after filling this, it will calculate and provide me monthly EMI, total interest, and total amount. So, in order to create this, we would be requiring a custom function and script writing. So, let me show you the function which I have written. So, this is the function that I have written, and this is the client script which I have written, in which uh, I have kept these three fields here, and after that, I have created an API key for that. And after that, I have run a JSON script here, and these three fields, I'm fetching the values. So let me show you how it is working. Let's suppose if I enter this amount and rate of interest and loan tenure is, let's suppose, 12 months. So it automatically calculates the monthly EMI, total interest, and total amount. So this EMI calculator is working similarly to what you have already seen in Pro. So if I suppose write the same amount here, and our rate of interest is 9%, and then here let's suppose tenure is 1 year. So the monthly EMI is 8745, which is similar to this. Our principal amount is, our total interest 4942, and total amount that comes up is this. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.